Birkenstock finally opening for trading here, and so far, not a good start for the footwear company. Jared Blikre here with a closer look. Jared.
Hi there, Josh. Let's go to the Wi-Fi Interactive and I can plot the action. It took until 1:30 p.m. for this stock to open today. And I don't want to say it was a disaster, but it was not good. IPOing yesterday at $46 per share. And you can see this on the screen. There's $46. It opened up at 41, so way down here. And it's trading lower than that, trading at $40.63. Interesting stat from Bloomberg, of the more than 300 IPOs that have raised more than $1 billion this side of the year 2000, guess what? Only, I think, 11 have fared worse. You'd have to go all the way back to 2021, AppLovin, to see a stock that came in this percentage below its IPO price. And in this case, it was 11% below its $46 IPO price. Personally, I don't remember a stock ever opening this late in the day, and I think it just had to do with some consternation over this lower price. And in fact, saying, what does this mean for the markets? Because after last year, the capital markets kind of dried up for new issues. We didn't see that many until relatively recently. I can go down the list here. Here's Instacart, and let me put a max chart on so we can plot the action, the price action. You can see Instacart down 16%. ARM Holdings, one of the biggest IPOs in years, that's down 7%. Kava Group down 15%. Savers Value Village, similar. Only Kodiak Gas Services, that's an oil and gas offering, different dynamics there. That is still in the green. But, you know, Birkenstock also interesting because this is one of the oldest, or it was one of the oldest private companies, and now it is public. 249 years it's spent in the private markets, second only to Goldman Sachs. You can see that took 130 years before it became public. American Express on there, Johnson & Johnson and Campbell's. All of this is to say, what does this mean? I think traders are trying to scratch their head and say, what does this mean for the capital markets going forward? I think the next IPO going to be receiving a little bit of hesitation and even maybe some more deliberation by the market makers that have to open up that stock. And I don't envy them after what happened here today with Birkenstock.